Holly and I are here from the Max Adventure marketing team today to learn a lot more around what goes into maintaining the West Highland Way.
Drainage is one of the biggest issues of maintenance on the trail. There will be hundreds of these all along the 96 miles, and as you can see they sometimes end up with sticks and bracken or things blocking them, so they regularly need to be kept clear so that there's a good flow of water. This is a good illustration of what happens when the path does get waterlogged and people gradually start to go round. So there's almost 3 different paths here, and people are obviously going the drier route, but diverting off the path can really impact on biodiversity.
It's a good point, not something you always think about when you just avoid the mud and the puddles.
Yeah. There are lots of bridges on the West Highland Way as well.
What's the lifespan of a bridge like this?
A lot of bridges will only have a lifespan of maybe 20 years, 30 years, something like that. So they have to be regularly checked, and routine maintenance helps to improve their lifespan.
So the West Highland Way is the first trip we ever ran at Max Adventure, and it's still our most popular trip. Every year we've got more and more people choosing to walk the West Highland Way with us. It'd be really great to know how many people total walk the West Highland Way.
We reckon that at least 40,000 people now walk it every year.
I've never previously stopped to think about just how much work goes into maintaining the trail.
As a kid in Glasgow, we used to come out and do a lot of the different sections along here, and I never appreciated all the smaller projects, so things like drainage that you wouldn't typically notice. The path restoration has been done in a very natural way.
If you travel on the West Highland Way with Max Adventure, we make a donation per person who walks the trail with us. That donation goes back to maintaining and restoring the path.